Doordash Catering bag not approved, why it happens and how to fix it. In this informative video, we delve into the frustrating issue of Doordash Catering bag rejections. Learn why your bag may not meet requirements, hear real stories from drivers, and discover practical tips to solve the problem. Don't let a rejected bag hold back your catering orders. Welcome back, delivery drivers. Today, we're tackling a common issue faced by many Doordash drivers: catering bag rejections. Have you received that dreaded in-app message? Don't worry, you're not alone. Join us as we explore why this happens and how you can resolve it. Section 1: Understanding the issue. So, why are Doordash catering bags not getting approved? Let's break it down. When drivers submit photos of their bags for approval, sometimes they're met with a rejection message like this. Your catering bag was not approved. Based on the photo you sent us, your bag does not meet our catering bag requirements. This can be frustrating, especially when you've invested in a Doordash branded bag or purchased one from Amazon. But fear not, there are ways to overcome this hurdle. Section 2: Real stories from drivers. Let's hear from fellow drivers who've experienced this issue firsthand. One driver shared their story. Tape measure to show measurements, and mine was actually an inch over on all three measurements they required, insulated and all, and I got this too. Disputed it back in February and still haven't heard back. What's the point in jumping through hoops if they will just deny it anyway? Many drivers have faced similar frustrations, but some have found success despite the initial rejection. Keep listening to learn how. Section 3: Tips for resolving rejections. So, how can you fix a rejected catering bag? Here are some practical tips that may help. Tip 1: Try again. It's important to remember that the approval process is automated, not manual. Sometimes, a simple retry can yield different results. Tip 2: Change the angle. When taking a photo of your bag, try capturing it from a different angle, such as 45 degrees. This can provide a clearer image and increase your chances of approval. Section 4: Success stories and persistence. Despite initial setbacks, many drivers have eventually received catering orders after resolving bag rejections. Don't lose hope. Keep persisting and following the tips we've shared. Section 5: Conclusion and encouragement. As we wrap up, remember that catering bag rejections are not the end of the road. With patience, persistence, and the right approach, you can overcome this obstacle and continue serving customers with excellence. Don't let a rejected bag hold you back. Keep striving for success. Thanks for tuning in, drivers. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Until next time, happy delivering!